Let's take various cases related to interest on capital. The first case is when the partnership deed does not exist or when partnership deed does not provide for interest on capital. In that case, there will be no interest on capital will be provided. The second case is when partnership deed provides for interest on capital but it is silent about its treatment. In that case, the first case is in case of loss. If any loss is there, no interest on capital will be provided. The second case is when profit is more than or equal to interest on capital. In that cases, actual interest on capital is to be provided. Let's take an example. Suppose profit is 1 lakh and interest on capital is suppose 80,000. Now here we are having sufficient amount of profit to pay interest on capital of 80,000. So the actual interest on capital will be given. The third case is when profit is less than the amount of interest on capital. Suppose profit is 1 lakh. Suppose let's take an example. Capital A and B are partner. A's capital is 10 lakh, B's capital is 5 lakh. Interest on capital is to be provided at 10% per annum. Profit sharing ratio is equally. Now, when we calculate interest on capital in this case, so A's interest on capital would be 10 lakh, 10% comes to 1 lakh. And B's interest on capital is 5 lakh is the capital, 5 lakh into 10% comes to 50,000. If we take the total, our total comes to 1,50,000, whereas our profit is only 1 lakh. So in this case, our profit is less than the amount of interest on capital which is to be paid. So in this case, we can only pay to the extent of 1 lakh, that is amount of profit, and this 1 lakh will be distributed in the ratio of interest on capital. Now here interest on capital of A is 1 lakh and B is 50,000. If we take the ratio of this, it comes to 2:1. So this 1 lakh will be distributed in the ratio of 2:1. So A's share of interest on capital would be 1 lakh into 2 upon 3 comes to 66,667, and B's share of interest on capital would be 1 lakh into 1 upon 3, that is 33,333. Total comes to 1 lakh. Now let's take case third, where interest on capital is charged against profit. Here you have to see the word charge. Charged against profit means it is a part of profit and loss account. So in this case, interest on capital will not be shown in profit and loss appropriation account, but interest on capital will be shown in profit and loss account because the word charge is there. So in this case, when the word charge against profit is there, so we have to give actual amount of interest on capital even if it result into loss to the business. So how to do this question? Let's take example. The same example we are taking. 1 lakh, 10 lakh is the A's capital, B's capital is 5 lakh, IOC is 10%, profit sharing ratio is equal, and in profit we are having of 1 lakh rupees. Now, as it is charged against profit, so we will be preparing profit and loss account. So by profit 1 lakh, then interest on capital, actual interest on capital will be given 1 lakh and 50,000. Now you see here our interest on capital is more by 50,000, so that result into loss of 50,000. Now this loss will be transferred to P&L appropriation account, that is to P&L account, that is loss, and this loss will be distributed among partners capital, that is A and B, in which ratio? Equally. equally it has to be distributed, that is